how to make your very own camera film case rocket. All you need is a camera case, baking powder, some water, teaspoon, and a pair of goggles. So put your goggles on, open up the camera case, put in a good teaspoon, probably a rounded teaspoon of baking powder. You could use bicarbonate soda if you want, it's pretty much the same stuff. Put it down and get your water and fill it about halfway, and then when you filled it, put the lid on, turn it round and stand well back. Put some water in now. Turn it over and wait. Sometimes it takes up to a minute, but sometimes it only takes a few seconds. I think my baking powder is a bit out of date, possibly, so it's definitely on its way. There we go. Always makes me jump. There we go. That's how to make your own camera film case rocket.